Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So we have a new mold today. This is a mold set that one of my children got me for Christmas. I'm so excited to finally crack into it, you guys. It's been sitting there kind of waiting for me to be ready to play with it, and today I am. So this is a beautiful candle stand. Yes, those are words. That's the word that I meant to say. It's a beautiful candle stand. It comes with 3 pieces. So you got both of the stand part pieces. They fit together. You can see right here and right here. You just slide them in. They make an X. You get the gist. This set came with the crystals and then the moon phases. Very, very pretty. And then it also comes with the little candle base that you sit on top of the X. So, I'm really excited to play with this. I'm going to go super simple today. I'm going to pour it in black. I know that I should probably do something more with it, but I kind of want to see what it's going to turn out like in just black, and then I'm going to obviously fill in the crystals and the moon phases after it is cured. So again, another simple one this week, you guys. I'm just really excited to see how this turns out, which is why I don't want to do anything elaborate with it, because I want it to be cute. I want to be able to display it in my room with a beautiful candle on it, and yes, I think it's going to be fantastic. So let me go ahead and get my resin warmed up, get it mixed up, get it in here, and then we will be back for the demold. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Let's go. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding is more like 4 bonus unmoldings. I actually did measure the mold with water, and then the measurement somehow was not as much resin or as I thought it was going to be. So I poured some moons. Just got a little extra on the back of this one. I'm trying to get off real quick. It's a spoiler alert, I guess, for the stand. But yeah, just black moon with super pretty glitter. So there are 4 different sizes here. That one's got like some bald spots in it. You guys see those? That's weird. Anywho, I think that these are meant for your hair. I've been using them in my hair. I don't know how did that bubble come to be? I don't know. These were very much poured in a rush because my resin was starting to go, but they're very pretty. Either way, anyway, that is today's pretty full bonus unmolding. All right, friends. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see how this turned out. As you can see, I made a bit of a mess while pouring. Not really sure why. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I got distracted, if I heard a noise or what, but, well, let's just say it's a good thing that, you know, this is a silicone mat that this is sitting on. So let me just clean up this mess a little bit. I did, at the very last second, decide, and by very last second, I mean after I mixed up the black, decide that I wanted to add some of this black holographic glitter. And that is from, let me grab the box. That is from Sia, I guess, from Amazon. One of the many things that our dear friend of the channel, Dart Frog, sent me. So, yes, I'm excited. The other thing that I wanted to mention is I did forget to spray these with alcohol before pouring. So, I am very much expecting at least some micro bubbles trapped in the designs. But we're going to do the boring one first. So this is the little tray piece. Very nice. Very boring, but very nice. Okay. Whew, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, actually, I'm not seeing a whole lot of... I see some bubbles, but not a whole lot. So there it is. That glitter is just so sparkly. Ooh, baby. Okay. So there's piece one. And here is piece two. Okay. So again, yeah, I am seeing some little micro bubbles around this area. A few through here, but not terrible. Not as bad as I was expecting with the fact that I forgot to, you know, spray alcohol. I'm just curious to see if they fit together nicely. You know, if I'm going to need to... Oh, wow. Okay. So there you go. Very nice. And then this just sits right on top. Is it supposed to fit in? I think it's supposed to, yeah, it fits down in there. Wow, so that's good and solid. Wow, and it's tall too. Let me grab this. Let's see how tall this thing is. This is, I'm upside down. I can't unmath. It's about a little over 7 inches tall. Between 7 and 7 1/4 inches. So wow, that's pretty tall. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart real quick. And so I am gonna finish these off. I'm not really sure how just yet. I kind of wanted to use some of my glow-in-the-dark stuff in it, but I decided that was a little too hard for me. So, how am I going to do this? Let me think on it, and I'll be right back. It'll be a half a second for you guys, so hang tight. Okay, so I grabbed my Pinata Silver. I've got it in a little needle nose bottle. I'm hoping I can do this without getting it everywhere. But because it's alcohol ink, I think if it does get everywhere, it'll be okay. I can just wipe it off. Okay, how's that look? Does it look good? Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. Pull you down a bit. So obviously because it's alcoholic, it does need to dry. I'm going to finish these off off screen. And yeah, I'm excited to see how these look finished. So I'm going to do this, take a few hours, and then we will do the glamour shots after that. So that's the end of my voice. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.